Hello everyone, this is Hari from Tricky For You and we are back with another product review video. Today we have Ultima's Atom 192 earbuds, so let's start with the unboxing experience. So it comes with decent packaging at the nebulous price of Rs 2300, and if you purchase it online then it will cost around 2600, which is like $20. Talking about the specification, it comes with 8mm drivers, IPX4 water and sweat resistance with a touch sensor. You can get this product in 3 different colors: black, white and cyan. It has good battery backup as well, and you'll get up to 42 hours of playback. Talking about the box contents, at first you'll see the earbuds, and below that you'll get some extra ear tips and some paperwork along with the Type-C cable. Now talking about the product itself, it is a bit bulky, but considering the battery it makes sense. It also has indicators to show the battery level, and at the bottom of the case you'll see a Type-C port for charging. Talking about the in-hand feel, this does not feel premium, but the audio quality of this earbud is quite impressive. It fits perfectly in the ear and the sound is also loud and clear. As you can see here, I'm going crazy with the music, but it fitted so well and the earbuds didn't fall off. Overall, this can be a good purchase, especially if you are running low on budget. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.